Recruiters are feeling the heat. Picture this: stacks of resumes, endless interviews, and missed talent opportunities. It's a constant battle to keep up in an industry where every second counts. Then a single conversation with a client changes everything. We're moving to AI-based hiring, they say. The panic is real. How do you compete with a technology that can evaluate candidates faster, with fewer errors and zero bias? This trouble doesn't end there. Elon Musk recently warned that roles like recruiters could be entirely replaced by advanced AI agents, and it's already happening. The stress spills over into personal lives as recruiters work overtime to deliver results, while their competitors streamline everything using AI. Even Tesla's hiring process is undergoing radical automation. The pressure to adapt is crushing. Enter Sophie, the AI agent revolutionizing recruitment. She's a digital talent scout, analyzing thousands of profiles in minutes and matching candidates to positions with unparalleled accuracy. Sophie is more than software. She's a tireless colleague who doesn't sleep or make mistakes. Companies using AI agents like Sophie are seeing their time to hire cut in half. Before Sophie, the process was exhausting and inefficient. After her, everything transformed. Candidates are better matched, recruiters have time to focus on relationships, and businesses achieve faster growth. The old way of doing things? It's over. Smash the like button and subscribe if you are an AI professional. Comment how you use AI to tackle recruitment challenges.